On this video, I'll show you how I make over $300 a day just playing a game. Now, I know this just sounds too good to be true, but it is absolutely true, and that's what I'll show on this video. I'll give you some details to how it actually works, but there is this game here called Townstar. You can go and play this game for free as well, townstar.co.uk, and that will take you through to Gala Games. You can sign up for Gala Games for free and actually play this game. It's a browser-based, it's a blockchain game, so it uses cryptocurrency technology. And it also allows you to own the game assets. This is what Gala Games are really big about. Gala Games are co-founded by a guy called Eric Scheimer, who was one of the founders of Zynga Games. Zynga were behind massive hit titles such as Farmville. And so they have a whole range of games they're working on, other games companies as well. They're enabling those game companies to bring their games into the ecosystem. But this is their first. It's fully playable. It's what's called a play to earn game. So as you play the game, you don't need to win competitions. You can win more crypto if you want to actually take part in the weekly competitions. But in this is just a simple play to earn. As long as you complete the challenge in the day and you have some NFTs in the game, then you can earn some cryptocurrency. Let me just show you what the challenge is. I've got 10 hours, 49 minutes left to complete this challenge today. And here is the challenge. Earn stars by selling goods from your trade depot. The more Gala power you have, the more NFTs you can place, the more town coin you can earn. And at the moment, if I earn 1,000 stars in the game, I'll earn 958.56 town coin. So let's run through the details of that and show you the actual real earnings with this game. So the game is a very simple farming type game. You have your town and you can become a star of your town. You set it up. It's a simulation. At the moment, I'm growing loads of grapes down here. See the farmer going to collect on their tractors, collecting those grapes. They then take them back to the storehouses where we've got the silos rather. And you can see here, I've got 20 grapes in this one, 20 grapes in this one. They're capable of holding 20 grapes each. So that's what I'm focusing on, but you can make flour, you can make all sorts of things. You can even turn it into wine. It really is a fun game. Now, by meeting this challenge of 1,000 stars in a day, I will complete the challenge and therefore it will be worth however much that is in town coin. And I'll show you the details on that in just a moment. What I'm going to do as well is add a couple more elements to the game so you can see how the mechanics actually works. So I'm choosing this section here and I'm going to place what's called a Vox. So if we go to my Gala NFT store here, I click on this and these are showing the NFTs that I own. And this is the whole point of Gala Games. You own the gameplay. So I've got a couple of Voxes here yet to place in the game. And you can see here this Baker Vox will earn me 78.28 town coin every time I complete the challenge, the daily challenge. So I'm going to place that Vox in the game. So there we go, he's placed in, out he comes. And I'm going to place the other Vox here as well. So let me just scroll down, place the other Vox, which was a Rancher Vox. And I'm allowed to place up to 17 of these. This is based on what's called Gala power. So I can place these Voxes. I can also place my fountain here, which is worth 35 town coin, and so on. So now I've placed my NFTs within the game, and you can withdraw them as well. So I'll just quickly show that. So I can return this one back to my store. Just takes it out of the game, but it's still my NFT. I haven't destroyed it or anything like that. I've just put it back into my inventory. Here it is, and I can place that back in the game. Now, longer term, Gala will enable you to place these NFTs in other games as well. Depending if it's a similar style of game, then that would make a great deal of sense. If it's a totally different style of game, it probably wouldn't make a great deal of sense, but you still own these NFTs. Now, I will show you, I'm going to cash in my town coin now, then I will show you how you can get started with this game as well, because a lot of people, when they see the earning power on this, they think, wow, that is amazing, let's get started. And what you want to do is leverage. So Once you start earning town coin, you then reinvest that in other NFTs so you can multiply your town coin earnings and really scale it up. So that's where I'm at here. If we now look at my total town coin that I can earn for the day, it's 1,164. So let me just go and complete the challenge. Now I've set this game up. It takes several hours to get to this point where I've got a really functioning, high functioning farm. I've got tractors, I've got lumber mills, I've got all sorts of things going on here. It takes a while to do that, but once you've done it, it's very, very simple. It's great fun doing it as well. But you'll see over here, we have got a ship which will take my goods to a local port. I've got a couple of trucks here as well. I've got what's called an express depot. That's this gold and black one here. I've got a standard one, which is the green one, and then we've got this ship here. So I'm going to actually, first of all, just to show you how many points I'm going to get, I'm going to use my express depot. So I'm going to click on the express depot, and it gives me the option here to sell some of my goods. So what am I going to sell? I've got grapes, I've got logs, I've got water, I've got lumber, I've got oil, I've got batteries and fuel. So I'm going to sell the grapes. They're the most valuable thing I've got, and I've got loads of them now because I've built a grape farm. So I'm going to sell my grapes. I'm going to sell 10 grapes, and that's going to be worth 26,700 in my in-game currency there. So it loads the grapes onto the truck. It's going to go off, and it comes back really fast. This is an express one. I'm right next to the City of London where I chose my destination here, and I click that, and that is some of those stars earned in the challenge. So if we now look, I've collected 200 stars out of the 1,000 for the day. So all I needed to do was click on my truck, sell some grapes. So 1, 2, 3 clicks there. Those grapes go on the truck, off it goes to deliver it to London, comes back, and I can cash those in. And now I'm up to 400 out of the 1,000 for the challenge. So now I'm going to put them on the ship, and actually this will do the challenge in one go. So I go to the ship. A ship will take 100 grapes at a time, or 100 whichever product you're looking for. It's going to make me 267,000 in the game, but I sell that. They planned route, off they go onto the ship. The ship goes off. Once they're all loaded on, there we go. I've got the cash for those grapes. I click on that. Brilliant, I've done that, and I've completed the challenge. You see this has gone green. I've now completed the daily challenge, so I've earned 1,164.17 town coin. So I'm going to click on collect rewards. So that's my rewards collected. So you can see my reward has been collected. So 1,164 town coins. So what is that worth? That 1,164 town coins. So let's bring a calculator. 1,164 town coin. And each town coin, if we go to coinmarketcap.com, you can find out the current price on Townstar. So you go to the search box, you look for Townstar, and we can see at the moment it's worth 27.77 US cents each. So I've got 1,164 just for this single day completing that challenge, times by 0.2779 cents. That's $323 of real value just for having completed that challenge today. So if I do that every day for 30 days, that's $9,700 a month, which in a yearly basis would be $116,000. Now, like I've said, that's if I just stay where I am here. But what I'm going to do is reinvest the town coin I earn. I'm going to buy other NFTs, put those into the game and earn even more town coin and leverage my income in the game. So the $100,000 per year, I expect to increase that quite substantially by playing this game. Really is good fun. We're just at the start. Town coin, as you can see, is going up in value. Started just over a week ago at 17 cents each. It's now worth about 28 cents. So it's going up in value as well. So if I keep playing the game, you've got that appreciation of value. I own these NFTs. These NFTs are going up in value as people are starting to cotton on that this game is really fun and can actually make you a full-time living if you wanted to do that. There are people all around the world, students, stay-at-home mums, there's lots of people would really want to get into this game. The way I've set this game up at the moment, and they will make the challenges harder as time goes on, but they're not going to make them impossible because otherwise that would defeat the object. But at the moment it takes me 60 seconds a day to be earning $100,000 a year on this game. Now we are at the start, like I said, I want to leverage this up and so on. So hopefully it's got your mind spinning a little bit as to what you can do. Now, how do you actually get started in this game? So go to townstar.co.uk. Like I said, you can sign up with Gala Games. If you become, what you need to do with Townstar to earn at the moment in the play to earn is have an NFT. Now you'll be able to borrow NFTs in the future from other game players, but for now you want to get started as soon as possible. And the simplest and lowest cost way of doing that is join Gala Games for free, play Townstar for free, but become a gold member with Gala Games. You'll see here on my name in my Gala Games account, it says Paul UK Gold. I've upgraded to become a gold member. Now you'll find an upgrade page. It costs about $50. It's a one-off purchase to become a gold member. Gold will give you privileges and access to all sorts of things as well. So even on that, it's worth doing at $50. They will also give you your first NFT for free, and it's this Express Depot. So this Express Depot, if I just go and return that back to my store first of all, let's have a look at this Express Depot. We can see here that it will earn you 1 town coin per day. Now with town coin at the moment worth 28 cents, you may be thinking, well, that's not worth it. But imagine if town coin goes up to $1, that would be $1 a day. Costs you $50, so it would basically take you 50 days to earn back your Gala Gold membership. But on top of that, you will own an NFT. So you will own this Express Depot. There's a limited number of those. But if we go to OpenSea, we can see these Express Depots are available on the open market and they are being sold. And at the moment, they are fetching $172 each. So you'd spend $50 to join Gala Games and upgrade to gold. They would give you something worth $172 for your $50 spend. Plus it's going to make you town coin every day. So it really is an absolutely brilliant asset to have. And that, again, as a reminder, is the whole point of Gala Games and NFT ownership. And so you start to leverage as you earn more and more town coin each day. My recommendation was that you buy other NFTs, upgrade them. Let me just return this one back to the store and show you what this one is worth again. So that NFT itself makes me 93 town coin a day. Even at today's price, let's get the calculator back. This one NFT gives me 93 town coin per day at the $0.27 per town coin. This is making me $25 a day just for owning this one NFT. And that's what these NFTs are capable of doing in gaming world. So I'm not a fan of NFTs for the art world, but in the gaming world, they actually have utility. They do something and can help you earn, give you yield on your NFTs. Anyway, that's I'm probably digging a bit too deep now on the details on that, but hopefully that's given you a quick overview. If you'd like more details about Townstar, Gala Games, crypto NFTs, investments, and so on, do subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, please post them in the comments, and there's more details in the description. Again, to sign up for Townstar, go to townstar.co.uk. That will take you through to the Gala Games account with my referral link on it. You can sign up there, upgrade to become a gold member. They'll give you an NFT, your Express Depot, get you started in the game, get you earning effectively from day one. There's lots of guides, there's lots of YouTube video tutorials. Townstar, the website itself, also has some guides to get you started. And you could effectively turn this into a full-time income. This is the new economy. This is the new world. It's a really exciting place to be. I wish you all the best and catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.